the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East, UNRWA, announced on Thursday its unwavering commitment to continue its vital operations in the West Bank and Gaza Strip, despite the Israeli government's order to halt its activities at its East Jerusalem headquarters. UNRWA, the largest provider of essential services to Palestinians in these territories, emphasized its resolute dedication to serving the vulnerable populations under its care for as long as feasible. However, the agency acknowledged a concerning lack of communication from Israeli authorities regarding the practical implementation of the ban, particularly concerning the critical lifeline of aid delivery to the besieged Gaza Strip. While UNRWA trucks did reportedly cross from Israel into Gaza on Thursday, the precise mechanisms of this seemingly unhindered transit remain shrouded in uncertainty, lacking clarity on whether this was achieved through prior coordination with Israeli officials or constituted a tacit, temporary exception. The ambiguity surrounding this situation fuels apprehensions about the long-term implications of the ban on the flow of essential humanitarian aid. This controversial Israeli decision has drawn sharp criticism from the international community, with Spain leading the chorus of condemnation. In a strongly worded statement, the Spanish government explicitly rejected the Knesset's recently enacted laws aimed at obstructing UNRWA operations within the occupied Palestinian territories. Spain urged for the immediate suspension of these restrictive measures, highlighting its profound concerns regarding the potentially catastrophic impact on the humanitarian crisis already gripping Gaza and the wider occupied Palestinian territories. The Spanish government warned that this decision imperils the fragile ceasefire, further destabilizing an already volatile region. The precarious state of affairs in the region underscores the urgency for a diplomatic resolution that safeguards the delivery of vital humanitarian assistance and prevents a further escalation of tensions. The Israeli Supreme Court's rejection of a petition filed by the Palestinian human rights organization Adalah, challenging the legality of the new law, paved the way for the ban's implementation on Thursday, solidifying concerns about the Israeli government's commitment to international humanitarian law and the well-being of the Palestinian population. The lack of transparency surrounding the implementation of this restrictive measure adds to the overall uncertainty and raises serious questions about the future of UNRWA critical humanitarian work in the region, leaving millions of vulnerable Palestinians facing a drastically uncertain future. The international community's continued pressure and proactive engagement are crucial to ensure the continued delivery of essential services and the protection of civilian lives. The long-term consequences of this decision remain to be seen, but the immediate impact is a palpable increase in uncertainty and anxiety among those dependent on UNRWA vital services. The ongoing situation necessitates immediate intervention by international bodies to prevent a looming humanitarian catastrophe. The lack of clear communication between Israeli authorities and UNRWA further compounds the existing challenges and jeopardizes the already fragile stability in